Another accused in the mega 400 crore trading scam has been arrested. Sufia Chaudhary, who had long been absconding, has finally been arrested in the state's Shribhumi district. Police conducted a raid at Badarpur where he had been hiding and arrested him. Chaudhary, a TET teacher, had been part of the mega trading scam that rocked Assam last year. Noteworthy here is that 7 accused, including the main masterminds Shakir Ahmed and Rajiv Dey, have already been arrested by the police. Sufia Chaudhary was taken into custody at the police station where he underwent grilling right after his arrest.
Abu Sufyan Chaudhary namor ekata ghor actually ghorte Korimganj ekete Badarpur elega ekete teacher hisabe karyoriba kori asile ekete bahut manuhor pora training or high return dim bili paisa kotara collect korisile aru collect korar pisot eket bahut dinor polayan kori asile ekata aji ami ei Badarpur অঞ্চলৰ পৰা লুকাই থকা অৱস্থাৰ পৰা আমি আটক কৰিছো আৰু তেখেতৰ নামত এটা কেছ ৰুজু হৈছে আৰু অহাকালি আমি তেখেতক অনাৰেবল কোৰ্টত পুলিশ কৰিম।